beauties! Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Riri, and today's video is gonna be my Influenster VoxBox and some happy mail. Alright beauties, so before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap that notification bell down below so that you are notified of any future uploads. Also, don't forget about that little join button right down there so that you can become a dreamer. So if you are unfamiliar with Influenster, it is a free app that you can download. You do what's called snaps in different categories. So say if you did a snap on makeup, you're gonna pick and choose makeup that you've tested, tried, and love. Then you're gonna upload pictures, you're gonna upload a testimony, reviews, things like that. And the more kind of snaps, reviews, product reviews, photos you put up on the platform, you can be qualified to receive VoxBoxes. And what a VoxBox is, it is kind of like the latest, greatest of food, hair, makeup, nails, skin, etc. And you get to try the stuff for free. So I will first start by saying this is not influenced in any way. But this was sent to me for free for honest review. And then of course I will review it and then go into my snaps and actually review and say what my thoughts and stuff are. So as you can see, this is a Cetaphil new deep hydration set. And we're gonna dive right on in. You guys know that I have extremely dry skin. I have tried Cetaphil several times in the past. We've used it on Caleb and Brett also uses it. So I am gonna open it in my little box here. Oh, it looks like full sizes too, okay. Very nice. And they do package everything really well. So it looks like they are going to be having a deep hydration eye serum, a healthy glow day cream, and a deep hydration activation serum. So I could have gotten one of the three. And I ended up getting the deep hydration 24-hour activation serum for face for dry, dehydrated skin with hydrosensitive complex and hyaluronic acid. I am really excited about this. This says instantly absorbs to deeply replenish your skin's hydration for 48 hours and improve the overall quality of sensitive skin. This sounds like it is right up my alley, you guys. This is an innovative combination of moisturizing ingredients and Blue Daisy, a skin-soothing botanical to deliver long-lasting hydration that keeps the skin hydrated even in over-drying conditions, i.e. heading into winter. Water stays deep inside where it's needed, boosting skin's overall water content and sealing the moisture within. All right. This lightweight serum also includes hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, vitamin B5, and antioxidant-rich vitamin E to rehydrate and restore skin's appearance while soothing your dry skin. This sounds like me. So again, they're going to have 3 brand new products. Congratulations! Get ready for deep 48-hour hydration with one of the 3 products featured on this card. This new hydration facial moisturizer collection delivers 48-hour hydration that improves the overall quality of sensitive skin. I love, love, love that the focus is on dry, sensitive skin, which is, you know, me. And because this is a serum, this obviously goes on first. With skincare, you always want to apply the lightest formulation to the heaviest, i.e. putting your serums on first because they're a much lighter consistency than going in with your thicker day creams, night creams, etc. So we're gonna jump in. And I'm assuming this is full size. I don't know for sure. I will obviously leave deets and stuff for you guys. So we are gonna hop on in. This literally says use every morning and night after cleansing, gently smoothing over the face and neck. Can be used alone or layer under the Healthy Glow Daily Cream. So if I do like this, I obviously am going to try it for a few days. I may go purchase the cream and kind of use them in tandem with each other and then just use my ghee at nighttime. So let's hop in. I just got out of the shower. I do like that it has a little pump on it. Let's see how thick it is. It's a serum, so it should be fairly light. I'm going to get, thank you. Oh, I was expecting a serum, not like a lotion type of formulation. I smell the lightest, almost floral, but very, very light. It feels nice so far. We'll kind of test it and touch it. Has a little bit of a slip to it. It definitely does kind of feel more like a kind of slippy serum as I'm massaging it in. So let's go to town. Oh, that smells nice. And I'm really gonna push it into my extra super duper dry areas around my nose and right through here and the tops of my brows. It seems to be absorbing quite quickly, which I also appreciate. The smell, you guys, is very nice. I'm smelling floral. I have to be smelling floral. Okay, it feels really nice. It doesn't feel thick, although I obviously was expecting a serum. I love you. He was joining me on his little lunch break. But again, I was expecting, you know, serum, like clear, slightly more liquidy. Yeah, so it's absorbing pretty well, and I actually do already see a little bit of a glow. Again, I just got out of the shower, and all I put on is my Pixie toner that I use every single day. All right, so far so good. We're gonna sit here while I open up my little Happy Mail real quick. But it smells nice, it feels nice. The fact that it is specifically geared toward sensitive skin. A lot of times a product will be for dry skin, but it will also have things that are irritants, things that may inflame the skin, things like that. So the fact that the focus is on the sensitivity part, I'm all about that. All right, so we're gonna sit that there for just a moment. I am going to hopefully not show anyone's address. Okay, so we'll show this side. It says do not smash, but I love the little rose paper. But my friend Alyssa, you guys, if you have been here for a long time, she's literally been here since day one. She has been in my Facebook group. It's archived right now, but she's been in my Facebook group for years, since its inception. And as soon as I jumped over to YouTube, she was there. Alyssa, publicly, thank you. I love you. I appreciate your support so, so much. But she has been literally one of my great friends. We talk consistently. And again, she's been a great supporter. She recently started her own little small indie brand called Floating Intention. And I ordered one of her pieces for Katie in our little swap sister box that we did. And it was a beautiful, beautiful piece. I will post a picture of it, of course, for you guys. But she reached out to me and was kind of trying to get deets from me. What do I like? What do I not like? And she created something for me. I don't know what it is yet. And I wanted to open it with you guys and just really, honestly, when I say I am so appreciative of people, I don't think people grasp how overwhelmed I am with people's support. You guys know I've lived a rough life. And things were not always easy for me. And I guess kind of in that, I've kind of lost my way in regard to connecting with other people sometimes. That's why YouTube it's my lifeline. When I say that, this is really my only connection to the outside world because of my anxiety, because of my depression, because of things I've been through. We're real on this channel. Depression is a bitch. It's a real thing. But she is someone that has been unconditionally loving and supportive of me no matter what's going on, and I value that so much. I value you guys and being able to do this and share my life and my loves and my passions with you guys. It is so unbelievably important to me. So whatever is in here, I already know I'm going to love. Her pieces that she has created thus far are stunning. So let's dive in. Oh, how pretty. So it had the pretty little rose outer packaging. It is also wrapped, and then it is also in a box with some little twine around it. See? Them indie brands, y'all, you do not get this attention from a mainstream brand. I'm just saying. And then it has a cute little card. And she also will give personal names to the pieces, things like that. I'm excited. Okay. Riri, beautiful sister, thank you from the bottom of my heart for accepting this. Thank you for sending it. This is, well, okay, I'll look at it first and then read what it's supposed to be. Oh my God. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna kind of show you how it looks and then I will take it off of the little thing. And then we'll BRB. All right, beauties, we have her taken off of her little pedestal, so to speak. I first want to say, obviously it's yellow. She knows me so well already. And then we have like a cool little, is that a hexagon? I'm pretty sure it's not a hexagon. What is that called? Yeah, hexagon. I could be wrong. And then there are some pretty yellow stones here, but she always puts a little moon on every single piece. And she also knows that I'm all about positive affirmation. So this says she believed she could, so she did. That is so beautiful, you guys. So I'm gonna read about it. Let me get one more little sneak peeky. And the kind of intention behind like the floating intention is everything being on kind of like the clear wire so that it looks like the crystals and stones are kind of floating. I love that. That is absolutely stunning. It feels nice and weighty, but not too heavy. I think it is beautiful. So let me set this down very, very carefully. And then this is citrine, the yellow. It is related to the solar plexus, joy and creativity, with a little touch of purple, which is fluorite. All right. I love it. Thank you so much, Alyssa. If you guys are into these types of things, crystals, different gems and stones, even positive affirmation, she just got started. She just got up and running on her Etsy and on her Instagram. Again, that is Alyssa at Floating Intentions. I am honored. Thank you so much. And thank you for just doing a cute little handwritten note. You guys, again, this is why I love indie brands. Speaking of indie brands, I'm going to be doing an upcoming holiday video to kind of send people in the right direction, whether it be for soaps, jewelry, makeup, hair product, etc. But I want to kind of have a massive indie brand list so that I can come on here. I can showcase, of course, the brands that I already know and love, but I would really like to try some brands that you guys know and love as well, and also kind of recommend a ton of indie brands for upcoming holiday season. So if you do have any suggestions at all, or if you yourself, you make keychains, you work with resin, whatever the case may be, it could be bows. It doesn't even have to be something I will personally use, but I just want as many kind of brands shouted out, so put down below that you guys can think of. If it is a brand you genuinely love and you use, I would love to have you guys comment all those down below. All right, beauties, I had to hop off and try on my necklace and put it on. I love it. It is the perfect length and it's weighty, but not too heavy. I also like the simplicity of it. I am not someone, I love it. I am not somebody that wears crazy out there, you know, types of jewelry and things like that. I've been wearing the same jewelry literally for years and years and years. So I enjoy the simplicity of this piece. Thank you, Alyssa, for sending this my way. Thank you for really having thought and intention behind it, using the yellow, using some positive affirmation. So you guys, please go check her out. Thank you so much to Influenster for sending this my way. I greatly appreciate it. I will update you guys. And again, if I'm feeling this, I'm liking it, I'm enjoying it for the next few days, I will go buy the day cream and then kind of wear them in tandem for a little while and update you guys on this. Thus far, I definitely see some hydration. It feels nice on the skin. I will absolutely say it didn't feel like a serum at first. Typically a serum for me is more very lightweight, you know, more liquidy, kind of an oily slip to it. And this kind of looks, of course, like a lotion at first and then kind of has that feeling. So the texture is really nice on it. I appreciate it. So thank you to Influenster. Also, don't forget to download Influencer. You can also earn free things. Maybe you can get a VoxBox as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I greatly appreciate you. Don't forget to look in the mirror today and remind yourself how much of a badass you are. And be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.
Oh, that's autofocus. You had autofocus off, you dum-dum.
Did you know?